Second video today. I'm gonna change so I don't look like a complete loser. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I know you guys love marketing, so here we go. These are still for sale on 5-3 Supply, and the shirt I was just wearing as well. Make sure you go check them out. I love being original. It's the best. It is the best, like the feeling of having a one of one. Let me give you an example. I love fancy taillights that are one of one. Man, I'll tell you what, guys, I love being original. Now, this car is a little crazy, even for my usual taste. Well, I mean, I have an explanation right here for that, but my goal for this car is to build it as clean and nice as possible. And the end goal is just to have a clean, sick, fast daily car. Today, I have got a very special, very special thing from JDMBuyer. There's a link in the description I have for you guys. If you need anything from Japan, check out JDMBuyer.com. He is the only reason I was able to get my Origin Labs wing that came straight from over the boat, over the pond. I'm actually getting new fenders from him as well for this car. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and get a new rear bumper at some point as well. Let me show you what I got. Yo! Hey, come here. Look how cool this is.
That is so crazy.
How sick is this?
Oh, we have to keep that.
Straight from, yeah, of course. What do you think it says?
Well, this is McDonald's.
Can you read it?
I think.
I don't think that's McDonald's. I think McDonald's is just McDonald's in Japan. This says free delivery on orders over 100 yen. I would read this, but it's way too complicated for you guys to understand even in English, so I'm just not going to. I'm going to save it for a different day. Let's save this. Let's put this on the wall somewhere.
Okay.
I am not sure who makes these, but we found them on a site in Japan that only spoke Japanese, and they're going to look really cool. Actually, let me pause. Pause, boys. The thing I hate most about Evo 10s. One of the only things I don't like from an exterior, like aesthetic standpoint, is the lights that comes with them. Usually, I'm not a big lighting mods type of guy. I like to modify things that really matter. On my STI, I didn't have aftermarket headlights. I recolored my stock taillights, but never like got aftermarket lights or anything like that. But this is like, the Evos are just such an eyesore. Their stock taillights are absolute butt cheeks. So, we're replacing them. Actually, hold up. The box does say VLand. Is that who makes them, or is this just a box? These are actually not the same ones. So these look like kind of like one of one. It looks like there's a lot of replicas of what these are, but these are authentic. And damn, I love authenticity. The thing I take pride about most in my cars is I love to build things in an authentic way. Most of the stuff on my Lexus, y'all might not like it, but it's from Japan. Like most of my exhaust is from Japan. Wing is from Japan. The engine's from Japan. My body kit on this car is from Japan. My life is from Japan. I love authenticity. I guess these are VLand taillights, which that's cool. Didn't actually know that. Yep, it says VLand on them. It says VLand right here. It's engraved in there a little bit. Hi, these are VLand taillights. Now I know what they are. These are going to be incredible. I am excited, like beyond what words can actually describe. Much better. Everything on this light is in Japanese too. Look at this, it's in Japanese. The sticker's in Japanese. That's awesome. I love you. I love it. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get the stock tails off, throw them across the ocean or into a trash can or something, and get these suckers on. There's actually one other thing in the box I did not open, and it looks like it's some sort of adapter or relay. Not entirely sure what this is. It's like a ballast or something. Probably is actually a ballast. Oh look, it's instructions. Look like they're like Legos, dude. It's like Legos. I feel like I'm playing with Legos right now. Okay. Dummy load. You're a dummy load. This is a lot of stuff. This is too complicated for Evan Shanks. I'm gonna have to pay somebody to do this. See you later, guys. Let me go ahead and compare these for you real quick. There's the disgusting looking Evo lights, and here is the new tails. Bro, these are gonna be absolutely amazing.
I wanna see.
Come here. Get your butt over here.
Oh, those are gonna look so good.
It's gonna look so much better.
Oh yeah. What? Yeah.
I'm excited. All right, let's get these done. I don't know how hard it's gonna be. It should just be plug and play with some ballast and stuff, so simple light work. I'll let you know if there's any complications. All right, so I'm gonna be really honest with you. You guys know I'm terrible at wiring. So I am extremely, I have no idea what's going on here because I'm not utilizing any of the factory connections, which makes zero sense, but I'm just gonna, I don't know. Give you guys a little sneak peek. Oh my God, that is incredible. They definitely don't work yet, but that is like,
ooh, that's
night and day difference. I don't know if I'm gonna have to wire stuff. I pray to God that I'm just, I don't know. So I'm genuinely confused. I'm confused because these don't go into am I supposed to fold these out and literally rewire my whole life back together? And they don't even use the factory colors, which is a problem. So this is fun. Okay, so the lights are on and they look absolutely incredible. But I'm incredibly confused as well. I'm not good with wiring. It's one of those things you kind of just have to have tinkered with it in the past. You have to know a decent amount about it in order to be good about it, and I just have never tried. It's the one thing I can do. I'll pull apart a motor. I'll build a motor. I don't care. I'll do it. If you give me a motor, I'll do it. I'll try it. I know at least how it works. Wiring, nah. The only things it has given me is a relay to connect this side and that side. And literally everything else is still dangling here, but it does, if you look into here, like it has this. So that makes me think that I have to use this, fold it out. Okay, I see what you're saying now. Okay, perfect. I'll give it a shot. Thanks so much. That literally makes so much sense. All right, sounds good, dude. Thank you. I just got help from my master wiring friend Johnny, and he made it doable. It's easy. It's actually way easy, and I feel really dumb. It's a very, very simple concept. So what I have to do here is I actually have to take the bulb out, right? That didn't even have a bulb in it. What the hell happened to there? So take this for example. This is my reverse bulb. I was trying to figure out what the hell this thing did, and I figured it out, or Johnny's helped me figure it out. So what I have to do is I have to take the bulb out of that reverse light, right? Get it out of there. Take this stupid, freaking ugly, nasty, breakable glass bulb out of here. This is really hard with one hand. Oh, that's what she said. And now, genius friend Johnny told me that this actually will plug into this. There we go. That's what that's supposed to do. Glad I didn't try and, yeah, glad that, yeah. But now I'm gonna go ahead and move to working with these. It's gonna be extremely easy. So yeah, I hope I didn't confuse anybody and maybe help teach some people today, because hey, remember my motto. My motto on this channel is I have no frickin' clue what I'm doing here. I may or may not, but the point is I'm having fun doing it. And that can be applied to any aspect of your life. As long as you're having fun, life is good. Just press the brakes, see if it works. Okay, the third brake light works. Something's still wrong here, but do it again. Yeah! Okay, so this one's obviously just not right. I gotta switch. I think I gotta do a 180 like Johnny was saying.
Yeah, that's true.
So my friend Johnny said that whenever you're doing LEDs, they're very specific. Sometimes you actually have to flip them around and go the opposite way. And so I just did a 180 on them. See if this side's brake lights works. Go ahead. Hey! Alright, just need a little finicking. God, these are so cool. Alright, so since we know everything works, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck away the relay right into here. Hopefully I never have to get it out because that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Put this back on. I'm gonna clean up the wires just a little bit just so you can't see them. I will unfortunately have like 3. I might go ahead and get a loom or something just so nothing gets caught or broken. I'm gonna clean it up and then I'll show you guys. It's gonna be so sick.
A few moments later.
All right, so I got the area cleaned up just a little bit. Now it is time to show off my VLand straight from Japanese. Oh my God, my garage is so dirty. By the way, Victoria's been back behind the scenes today helping me organize this. I haven't cleaned this garage since I started doing the big turbo build on this car, so I've got tools everywhere, parts everywhere, stickers everywhere, grass everywhere, kitty litter everywhere, coolant everywhere, and she's been helping out behind the scenes doing God's work back there. So thank you, wifey. I went ahead and I tucked this about as best as I could. Gave it a little bit of slack just in case, and I tucked this around. I put some tape around it just in case. I don't want it to get clipped or anything like that. So now I know that it's all safe. If I do this, well, actually, no. All right, baby, zip ties save lives. Let's go. Now it shouldn't get pinched under here.
Nice. That looks so much better.
That is the coolest set of taillights I have ever seen.
It makes such a difference. I mean, it really does.
All right, y'all ready to see them? Do some, give me some brake action, and then we'll do blinkers and reverse lights too. Oh, go off. Now on. Oh, the camera is not picking up how bright this is, but oh my God. Turn the actual lights on. Let's see what those look like. Oh, my.
Ooh, I like
I can't wait to show you guys at
I was like,
nighttime.
we need to do it at night because there's a little.
Try blinkers. Do reverse and blinkers. Reverse is nice and oh my God, that is the widest LED I've ever seen. That's mega clean. Now try blinkers for me. Oh my God, it's sequential. Oh, that's so tight.
Ah, I love that.
Yes. Did you wait? Are your hazards on?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Oh, so it's blinker. That's fine. I wanted to make sure that. Oh, so both of them work. Oh my God, it all works, dude.
Oh,
That is so amazing.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Again, a huge shout out to my friend Trevor at JDMBuyer. If you need anything from the motherland, I mean, he seriously amazing prices. If you want anything authentic, I think it's so important to have a car with authentic pieces. For one, it's a conversation starter. You're gonna meet, you're like, oh, where did you get those? We're gonna say Japan. And that's just cool. That's just freaking cool. So anyways, hit up JDMBuyer. Amazing guys. With these taillights, this makes the wingless look a little better now.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie. It just changed the whole car. When it's a little bit darker, I'm gonna wait till tonight and show you guys. But damn, it's so good. Sorry, Lexus. I think you're beat. Alright, so it's a little bit darker now. Alright, go ahead and give me the brakes. Oh my God, that looks incredible. Wow. Just turn the lights on. See what it looks like without the lights on? That's what oh my God, that's what it's gonna look like just literally just chilling, driving around, bro. That looks unreal. Alright, give me the blinkers. Left blinker or right, or just give me the hazards or something. Oh my God, dude. It looks so cool. The sequentialness, the sequential is so cool. Wow, now go into reverse. Let's see that. I wish you guys could actually see this. Camera does not do, I mean, most of the time, camera does not ever do it justice. That's such, it's so bright and it's like a whitish blue, a pure white. Dang. Oh my God, dude. Unreal. Wow, so cool. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and again, a huge shout out to JDMBuyer. I want you guys to go to that link in the description just to check out their website, at least give them some love. They're a huge supporter of the channel. We have tons of stuff coming from them, and they have he's supported the channel for a long time. Thank you guys again. Peace out, see you tomorrow, and be victorious.